You can see your living and dining is very spacious, where you will be getting two parallel platforms. You can see this is the space of your second master bedroom, which is a Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Samrat by PCPL Group located in Santa Cruz. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual land parcel, where you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.28 acre that will have a standalone tower of ground plus 12 story, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also talking about the amenities with gym, sit out area, kids play area and more amenities within the project. And now talking about the connectivity, this project is located bang on Juhu Tara Road, Santa Cruz West, from where Santa Cruz railway station is only at a distance of 6 to 7 minutes. Upcoming metro is only at a distance of 200 meters. Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 10 minutes, and you have International Airport only at a distance of 25 minutes from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are standing at the 3 BHK of the residential project Samrat. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1043 square feet. As you can see, this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your living and dining is very spacious. You can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in the living. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Also at the entrance, you will be getting video door phone and smart lock is also provided at the main door. In the living, you will be getting full French windows with glass railing to give you beautiful standing balcony look. Also over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, kitchen and common washroom. First, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms. Also, you can customize your lower and upper cabinets. And besides one platform on both the sides, you have space provided to place your refrigerator and your washing machine. Also in the kitchen, you will be getting full French windows with glass railing for a beautiful standing balcony look. Moving forward, diagonally opposite to your kitchen, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings, and the washrooms will be fully made up in this project. Opposite to your common washroom, we have your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place your bed, side table and to customize your wardrobes. You can make this your kids' bedroom or your guest bedroom as well. In your common bedroom also, you will be getting full French windows with a glass railing for your standing balcony look. Moving forward, on this side, on both the sides, we have your master bedroom. Over here, we have your first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables and customize your wardrobe. You will have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. In this corner, you will get your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, in this master bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with glass railing, and let me tell you that we are standing at the actual tower of the project from where you will get the view of your main road. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. And now let's move to your second master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see this is the space of your second master bedroom, which is your third bedroom of your 3 BHK, where you can place your king size bed, side tables, you can customize your wardrobes in this corner. You can customize a TV unit on this wall along with a makeup corner or a study corner, and you will also be getting full French windows with glass railing to give you your beautiful standing balcony look, and the railing will also provide you safety. In this corner we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, let me remind you that the washrooms will be fully made up in this project. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Samrat by PCPL Group. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.